Top 10 dangerous foods to be avoided by diabetic patients. Diabetes or diabetes mellitus is a chronic metabolic disease in which the patient suffers from high level of glucose in the blood. There are numerous natural remedies for diabetes which, when combined with a healthy lifestyle, can help in controlling and maintain blood sugar at healthy levels. The most important factor that affects both type 1 and type 2 diabetes is diet. And as well, planned diet can work effectively in maintaining blood glucose at healthy levels. Here we have list of foods diabetes should avoid. White bread. One of the most dangerous foods for diabetes is refined starch. Refined starch is found in any food that is made by white flour, such as white bread, white flour pasta, etc. These refined carbohydrates have high glycemic index that causes a rapid rise of blood sugar levels, which is extremely harmful to diabetic patients. These complex carbohydrates take longer to be digested and lead to gradual steady rise in blood sugar. Whole milk. Whole milk and full-fat dairy products also come under the list of foods to be avoided in diabetes. Full-fat dairy products are loaded with saturated fats that increases insulin resistance and worsens the conditions for diabetic patients. The saturated fats raises the level of harmful LDL bad cholesterol in the blood and increases the risk of heart diseases. White rice. White rice contain low-quality carbohydrates and lack fibers. White rice is easily digested, which in turn shoots up the blood glucose level. Opt for whole grains such as barley, oatmeal, high-fiber cereals. And if you can't stay away from rice, then replace white rice with brown rice that has numerous health benefits. Potatoes. Consuming potatoes on regular basis can be extremely harmful to the people suffering from diabetes. This is because the starch in potatoes is made of long strings of glucose that breaks down rapidly in the intestine and are absorbed in bloodstream, leading to the sudden spike in blood glucose levels. Fruit juices. Fruit juices are loaded with fruit sugar that causes the sharp rise in blood glucose levels, and daily intake of fruit juice has also been shown to increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 18%. Raisins. Another food to be avoided in diabetes is raisins. Although these delicious foods are rich in source of fibers, vitamins and antioxidants that neutralize oxidative stress, yet it causes sudden spike in blood glucose level that is extremely harmful to people suffering from diabetes. French fries. Greasy and deep-fried foods such as French fries and chicken nuggets should be avoided at any cost to control diabetes. These foods contain a lot of oil and lead to weight gain. These foods are made with starchy and carb-rich ingredients that lead to rise in blood glucose level. These foods are fried in hydrogenated oils that are loaded with unhealthy trans fats that increases the level of LDL bad cholesterol in the blood, thereby increasing risk of developing coronary artery diseases. Soft drinks and energy drinks. Sugary soft drinks and energy drinks increases the risk of developing diabetes. Soft drinks are loaded with calories and lead to weight gain, and people who are overweight and obese are at higher risk of developing diabetes. Artificial sweeteners. Sweeteners do more harm than good by affecting blood glucose levels and reducing insulin sensitivity. Try to stay away from artificial sweeteners as much as possible. In case you are carving a sweet treat, eat dessert made of real sugar, but keep it in moderation. Fat cuts of meat. Fat cuts or red meat such as pork, beef and lamb are very harmful to diabetic patients. These meats are loaded with unhealthy saturated fat that increases inflammation and rise the risk of heart diseases. Replace fat cuts of red meat with white meat, chicken, turkey, lean cuts of beef, pork, and fish to keep diabetes under control. Foods play an important role in diabetes, and they are certain foods that control type 2 diabetes effectively. Avoid foods rich in starch, carbohydrates, sodium, and calories, and keep your blood sugar under control naturally without the use of medicines. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.